Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by exporting the map imagery and coordinates from Google Maps indirectly, because Autocad cannot legally pull tiles directly. First, capture the area. Use Google Earth Pro to save a georeferenced image or KML. It preserves coordinates. Once done, open Autocad Map 3D, set the drawing's coordinate system to match the exported file, usually WGS84 or your local CRS. Make sure to save the KML or GeoTIFF, because you'll import that next into Autocad for correct alignment. Next, bring the file into Autocad. Use Map Import for KML/KMZ or Data Connect for GeoTIFF. If you only have a PNG/JPG, attach it with the ImageAttach command and then georeference. You'll use known coordinates or reference points to scale and rotate the image precisely. Once the raster or vector import is in place, run the align or georeference routine, pick control points in the drawing and the source, and verify units and scale so features sit exactly where they should on your coordinate grid. Finally, convert what you need into editable CAD elements. Use MapeSport or manually trace features with polylines for accurate vectors. Lock or freeze the raster layer, organize geometry on proper layers, and save the drawing as a georeference DWG so coordinates persist. If alignment looks off, check the projection matching. A CRS mismatch or incorrect scale causes most errors. As a single troubleshooting tip, confirm 3 or more precise control points and rerun align. That usually fixes small
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.